the Sennheiser Momentum 4. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide and a storage case for the headphones. Opening the case, you'll see that it has a USB-C charging cable, airplane adapter, and 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable. The headphone features 60 hours of listening time. 5 minutes of charge will give you 4 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, SBC, AAC, aptX, and aptX adaptive codec. 42mm drivers, touch controls and an app, USB-C for charging, ANC, and a transparency feature. The headphones are light and it has a premium look and feel to it. The ear cups swivel out, but they don't fold in. Ear indicators are on the inside of the ear cups, and the padding is very soft, as you can see. You have padding on the inner headband as well, and on the top you have a fabric lining similar to the finish on wireless earbud cases. The lower part of the band you have the logo on each side. There's good travel on each side and it has a smooth movement when adjusting. The headphones are flexible and it can definitely accommodate various head sizes with no issues. The outer face has a matte finish, and on the left side you'll find the microphones. On the right side you have the microphones as well, and also the touchpad surface for control. On the bottom you have the multi-function button, LED, USB-C charge port, and the 2.5mm input. Navigating playback, calls, ANC, and transparency feature is a matter of tapping, swiping, or a pinch to activate. And this has app integration, and you can control many of the functions via the app. You have access to the battery levels, EQ presets, custom presets, toggle ANC and transparency, voice settings for calls, and general settings. The headphones weigh in at 292 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. We go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you, 'cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone.
Dough and dirt through all the obstacles, 'cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, 'cause anything is possible. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the headphones. They were extremely comfortable and the clamping force was not too tight. They felt secure and I didn't feel pressure on my ears. The ear cups are very soft and there were no issues wearing them for extended periods of time. Build and quality is great. It has a premium look and feel to it. Subtle accenting with the logo on the sides and the cloth lining on the top of the band. Touchpad controls were a bit sensitive for my liking and sometimes I found it to activate when just adjusting the headphones. I prefer a physical button when it comes to controls. Also, the surface has a matte finish and it attracts fingerprints, and I can see in the long run it may be prone to scratches. Battery life is excellent at 60 hours and I like the app integration. The ANC feature worked as advertised and it canceled the surrounding very well, as I tested it with a fan, air purifier, and TV in the background. You can manually adjust the sensitivity or have it in adaptive mode where it will adjust to your environment. The transparency feature also picked up the surroundings loud and clear when activated and it sounded natural. Now when it comes to sound, these didn't disappoint. Starting off with the bass, it comes in tight, punchy, and accurate. It doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and vocals and instruments do stand out. There's good separation and a wide sound stage. I would describe it as a balanced sound signature. And of course you have the option of customizing the EQ settings to your liking. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I feel the headphone has tremendous value. It does compete on the higher end price range, and I think this one stands out and should be on your list if you're looking for wireless headphones. So that is my review of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.